Beads of Courage is a program to help patients and their families explain what a child goes through when they have any sort of chronic illness. There are lots of different colors of beads, and each bead stands for something. And so, for example, every time a kid gets poked, they get a black bead. Yellow beads are for hospital stays. There are beads for not being allowed to eat or drink, having to have stickers taken off of your skin. And there's a couple special beads called active courage beads that when a patient is scared of something, but they get through it, they get to pick out that special bead, and it's that constant reminder of, hey, do you remember that time that you were scared? You got through it, and we're gonna get you through it again.
These are the Araya's special beads of courage, like the big glass ones. Being diagnosed with kidney disease, she had a pretty rough start around 4 months old. There's a lot getting used to, and it was something that would just help me kind of get through each day, each appointment.
Okay. Do you know how to spell your brother's name?
I think it'll really help her see that her brother's going through the same thing. I think it'll be really special for them when they're older, knowing that they're not alone in what they're going through.
Good job. For other patients who are too young to remember this,
Auntie Lex loves your bows, huh?
it gives their parent an opportunity to talk with them when they're older, using the beads to show them, this is everything you've been through. You were tough and you had courage, and we got you through it as a family.
We have a 4-year-old son at home he's trying to process what's going on with his sister and really like me being gone a lot, and so he really looks forward to doing the beads. And we bring him home, and he gets to string them, and he asks questions like, what's this one for, Mommy? And I'm able to say, well, Sissy, she had her blood drawn today. I saw him scan the beads and see how many were that color. And he picked those up and just hugged them. And it was just like this beautiful moment with him, just knowing that he was understanding what she was going through, and it was a way for him to connect with her.
In the end, a lot of our families end up having hundreds of beads. And I've seen families turn them into wind chimes, and another family strung them all the way around the patient's room at home so that she had that constant reminder of, yes, you've been through a lot, but you're so strong and so brave.
For me, it was just an amazing piece of this. It really was something that supported me and my family through the whole journey.
It brings a little bit of happiness into some pretty awful situations, and I'm really thankful for it.
For them to be able to see it in black and white, and to kind of see that shock on their face of like, wow, I am strong, I am courageous, and I can do this. It's an awesome feeling.